Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So as you can already read from the title of this video, we are opening up my paper box for August. So we have here both the grand subscription box for August and then mini. So my paper box comes with two different options, obviously the mini and the grand. So the mini subscription is in this bag here, and this is $10 per month, and the grand subscription is $28 per month. So I just received the mini in the mail this week, but I did receive the August grand box, and I always receive the grand box a few days before the start of the month, just so you guys know, that is when you will get it. They offer this as a monthly subscription, both of them is a monthly subscription, or you can do bi-monthly. So super great. I do have a promo code, I believe it saves you $10 off the grand subscription, so I will leave the link down below along with all the pricing information if you are interested in subscribing. So I guess I should say what this is. If you have not seen my past videos or you are unfamiliar with what my paper box is, it is a personalized stationery subscription, and it is so adorable. As you can see, even the grand box outer packaging is personalized. This is Kitty's paper box. And then their bag is even really cute. So they look different every month. There's always a different theme. So in the mini, you get 3 personalized notepads, and in the grand subscription, you get notepads and a bunch of other things too. So it comes with a whole mix of things we'll see shortly. Every month does come with like a little calendar, and it comes with some greeting cards and stuff like that. So I guess we'll just have to open it and see what comes in the August box. So let's get started. But before we get started, I just want to remind you all that I do have 3 giveaways going on our channel. It's a lot. Some are ending next week, one at the end of the month, so I will link all my giveaway videos down below. How about we start with the mini? So again, this one is $10 per month. So when I take it out of the mailer bag, this is what it looks like, and excuse my awful nails. I keep saying I have to go, and I'm just lazy. So it says, "Welcome to August, Wild One. This month, unleash your inner animal and get stuff done." I love that. Unleash your inner animal. So the animal print theme, so cute. So let's start with the one on top, the smallest one. All of them say kitty on it, and the first one has a giraffe on it with giraffe print, and it is a lined notepad. So you can use these for a list or whatever you want. And then the next one, it looks like, what is this, like a leopard, or wait, a lion? I don't know. I'm like totally blanking right now. I think this one's a cheetah print, right? And then here's, oh, like a lion. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm filming a lot later than usual and my brain's just a little tired. But yeah, amazing cast. This is so cool. I love animals. So in the mini box, you get 3 personalized notepads. Like I said, they're personalized because they all say kitty on it. And this month we have an animal theme. So again, there's a theme every single month. I have playlists for all of my boxes pretty much. So if you're interested in what the past themes are, I will link down below my playlist for my paper box if you want to check those out. So let's move on to the grand box, the $28 subscription. Or if you use the code 18. So when I open it up, this is what I see. It looks like there's a kiss in there. It says, "Don't be afraid to sparkle." That's cute. And everything else is wrapped up. And here's the card on top. I'll read to you a little bit what it says. It says, "Welcome to August, Kitty. What's happening in August?" I love how they do this. So they'll list all these days in August, like holidays or special days throughout the month, and they'll give you ideas on how to celebrate. So some of these days have already passed, but again, you get this subscription before the first of the month, so you'll have everything in advance. I just choose to open up both together so you guys can see the difference between the 2 boxes and make a decision on which one is best for you. So let's see, what is today? Today's August 8th. Okay, so today is Happiness Happens Day. And it says how to celebrate. Do something nice for yourself. After all, happiness starts at home. Participate in Happython, a social media campaign run by the Secret Society of Happy People that encourages people to send happy, joyful, and uplifting messages to people around the world. That's so sweet. And then tomorrow, August 9th, is Book Lovers Day. August 10th is Lazy Day. That's a great day for a Saturday. The 16th is Tell a Joke Day. The 17th is Thrift Shop Day. The The 18th is Mail Order Catalog Day. That's an interesting one. August 24th is Pluto Demoted Day. August 25th is Kiss and Make Up Day. August 26th is Dog Appreciation Day. August 20th is Bow Tie Day. August 30th is Frankenstein Day. And August 31st is Eat Outside Day. And again, under all those holidays, there's ways to celebrate. So this is what it looks like. I won't read all of them to you or else we'll be here forever, but I think this is super sweet and awesome. So let's move on to the next two things. So are these little stickers or what is this? But these are like little decals or something that have kitty on it. I see like a little diamond, kiss, some hearts. Let's take these out and see what these are. Oh, there's so many of them. Yeah, I think these are all different stickers and they all say my name on it. So kitty. There's a heart. These are so cute. So there's a bunch of these and it comes in this little pack. Oh, and then there's like a little bag of glitter. That's like purple glitter. Can you guys see that? I'm not gonna open that and spill that everywhere, but that's what that looks like. And it looks like there's like some more stickers. One says mypaperbox.com. This one says My Paper Box and has like a little box, mailer box on there. Oh, these are all over. So I'm not sure what you would do with these, but if you like stickers, that's great. And here's a little calendar you get every day, and I'm gonna grab well, here's what it looks like, but they give you in your first box a frame that you could put this in, and I have it right over here on my desk or my vanity with July, so now I can replace it. So let me grab that. So here it is with the July month in there. So you can see every month is different. So now I can just replace it with August, and it has all of the holidays below. So this is really nice to have on your desk just to reference, and it's super cute. I'm loving the pink this month. And it looks like we have a card here. It says Kiss and Make Up. This must be for like Kiss and Make Up Day. Let's take this out and look. Wow, the envelope itself is like marbled and really cute. But here is the Kiss and Make Up card. Let's see if there's anything on the inside, if it's blank. So it's blank so you can send this to someone. Maybe you had a little argument, a little tiff, you wanna make up with someone. That's cute. And then here's a notepad that has like diamonds on it and says kitty. I like this one, this is cute. Oh my god, we have a diamond pen. Like, I love the theme, like everything goes so well together always. How cute is this? So on the top of the pen there's a diamond, and the pen itself is polka dot. And it looks like the actual pen cartridge is right here to put inside. But this is so adorable. What a bougie pen. There's like another sticker. There's stickers everywhere. And here's such a cute little card. I think there's two cards in here. So this one has balloons on it, perfect for any like special occasion. And on the other side it says, thanks for making my life sparkle. So let's see if there's anything else in this. Yeah, so this card with the balloons is on both sides. I love the pink and the gold sparkly balloons. It's so cute. And on the inside it says, have a sparkling birthday. So you could send someone for a birthday card. I love getting this stuff. I have like a stockpile of cards now. Whenever there's a holiday I am ready, or a birthday celebration of any sort. And this one, the sparkle one, it's blank on the inside, so you could use this for whatever occasion you want. And then pretty much the last thing in here is another notepad, and this is pretty in pink. It says kitty on it on the top, and then it's lined. And then it looks like there's like a few more like little stickers on the bottom. So there's stickers throughout. So we got some notepads, several cards, and I guess like just the glitter, you could just use this for whatever craft. It's not for anything really specific. It seems we have the kitty stickers. I really love getting the calendar. That's one of my favorite parts of this. And yeah, so that is everything. So now instead I got all these notepads. Everything is so cute. I love that they have like the holidays on there. I don't think this was like my favorite theme ever, but this pen might be my favorite pen we've gotten. But it's always so cute. I love that they always stick to a theme. Again, I will leave the link down below along with the promo code, my playlist. I'm gonna remember to put that down there if you're interested, because then you can see like how they have different themes every month. They're always so cute. So definitely check that out if you're interested. If you're into like stationery and stuff like that, notepads, making lists, then this is definitely a box for you. I think it's great and definitely helps getting organized. I have a stockpile of notepads now from getting this box. It's great. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're having a great day. I love you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!